I'd end it as quick as possible. Oh my god. Oh! The power. How did she do that? How is Still Love have the energy to do that? Oh! Just shows that Volcano can beat up and easily dominate Still Love. She's not done. Oh, Fast and Furious is Volcano trying to defend her lady's title. And Still Love will reversal. These girls, these ladies, no, these women, these athletes are so relentless fighting for this lady's title. Now, Still Love working on the arm. Oh. I swear, this match is never ending. These women will fight all night. If they have the energy. Oh my god, look at this. Once again. Oh! Once again, Volcano. And this could be it. Well, 1, 2, 3. Volcano retains the ladies' title.